Are you working as a medical coder? Or are you trying as a medical coder? Do you know how to secure your medical coding job? As all of us know, in today's scenario, we have huge competition for medical coding jobs. It is not at all easy to safe and secure your job. In this video, we are going to discuss most important aspects in order to secure your medical coding job. My name is Harish, medical coder, process trainer, content creator for FastCoder21 free medical coding YouTube channel. In my channel, you will get latest updates about IC10CM, CPT, HeekPix, as well as you will get latest updates about APC free CU webinars, as well as I will provide you with medical coding, AR calling, and nursing jobs in India, UAE, and USA. So today's our session is how to secure medical coding job in today's competition. A must watch video for all medical coders. As all of us know, nowadays we have huge competition for medical coding field. Even MBBS doctors also planning to come into medical coding field, as medical coding is having 5 days a week job, as well as it is a more lucrative job compared to doctor job. So in order to stay secure in your medical coding job, you don't think medical coding is super easy. In order to master in medical coding field, you need to have good understanding of medical terminology as well as anatomy if you are working as a surgery coder. So in order to stay secure, you need to have good understanding of latest updates in IC10CM, CPT as well as HeekPix. So if you don't know where to find latest updates about IC10CM, CPT and HeekPix, please subscribe to FastCoder21 where I am providing latest updates in IC10CM, CPT and HeekPix. So if you are trying job as a medical coder and if you don't have any job, don't expect more salary from the beginning of your career. Try to concentrate on opportunity, not on salary. If you want to secure medical coding job, try to stick to the job opportunity, not to your salary. If you have good knowledge, automatically your salary will increase. By prioritizing the task, you can secure your job very easily. If you want to secure your job as a medical coder, get ready to work from home as well as work from office. So nowadays it is not possible to get work from home jobs. So get ready and plan to go home, office and do your work. So if you are working as a medical coder, don't depend on others. Always believe in yourself. Whenever you have a doubt, try to use internet and try to use your critical thinking skills and also use Google in order to get your answer to your question. If you want to start medical coding, don't focus on money, just try to focus on knowledge you are acquiring. In medical coding, self-studying is not at all possible. So if you discuss with more people, you will get more knowledge. For example, if you take me, I am trying to share my knowledge to other people so that I will get the comments and so that I can learn from those comments. So don't think that I can self-study medical coding and I will become master. And also don't think that if you complete CPC certification, you are a master in medical coding. So basically you need to think here that CPC is the basic certification, so which you need to have if you want to stay in medical coding. But nowadays without CPC certification also people are doing medical coding job. So simultaneously there is a huge competition in medical coding. Yes, we have certified people and non-certified people. Even in non-certified people also, we have most intelligent medical coders. So because of them, if you have certification also, there is no use with that. As a medical coder, we need to know the value of time. For example, if you go to the office, so company will provide you the charts and they will ask you to code. So you need to decide how long you need to take to complete these charts. So for example, if you are a surgery coder or if you are a ip-drg coder, first if it is possible, try to complete all your easy accounts first, then go for difficult task, so that you can concentrate more on the easy accounts. Then you can do research and complete your all cases. Don't waste your time with one difficult scenario or difficult case. As all of us know, there is huge competition for medical coding nowadays. So you don't think that I will get the job very easily. So even most of the students will ask me, sir, how do I get medical coding job? So I will tell only one thing: you need to believe yourself. So you need to prepare your resume well. And if you are experienced coder also, resume plays very important. So if you want to secure your job, you need to create more powerful resume in order to get job outside. Whenever you do something wrong, try to accept that wrongdoing. Don't hesitate to accept your wrong. If you want to get or master in medical coding, you have two options. First one is you need to spend money and you need to spend your time. So without spending your money, don't expect more salary. Why, I will tell you here. For example, if you have more certification, automatically your knowledge will increase. So because of that, you will get more salary. In India, there is no value for more certification. But if you go to UAE or USA, your capability or your salary will depends on your certifications. So automatically, if you complete more certification, your knowledge is more compared to fellow coders. And also, don't discourage easily. So if someone asks you to, or someone will say bad words, don't discourage yourself. If you want to secure a job, you need to concentrate more on your accuracy. So accuracy is a key criteria in order to get secure job, as well as in order to get more salary. So always try to concentrate on accuracy as well as time. So if you spend valuable time by prioritizing your task, so you can get your secure job. So and also you need to learn more specialty trainings. For example, if you are working as the ED coder, if you get the opportunity to learn IP coding as well as surgery coding, just don't hesitate to learn all those new specialties. Try to practice those specialties and you will secure your job very easily. Why means if you are having knowledge in coding, more specialties, company will ready to stay you secure job. I hope this session is very useful, and also if you have any doubts about medical coding, please call us using Call Me for free mobile app. Our ID is fastcoder21 at the rate of CM4. And also please like, comment, share, learn and subscribe. Happy coding guys.